This is Urban Zulu. I'm your lady Nontyatyambo Tabata, all the way from South Africa, Cape Town. Today in Urban Zulu, we are joined by a handsome guy, a strong vocalist, and most of all, a businessman, all the way from Africa in Ghana. Let's hear from B.Kelly.
B.Kelly is a musician from Ghana, from eastern part of Ghana, who is an international musician, to say for now. I started music way back in the year 2010, and then in 2017, 2018, I started doing professional music.
We just heard that you just released a single. I'm not sure if it's one or two. Can you please tell us more about your singles, and also what did you work with?
For now, I can say 3 singles for now are out. For now, that you can go online and then you check. One of my singles is Pinso. One of my single is also Adrenaline Dream, and then the other one is My Number, which we just released it, and then it's out now. You can check it online and then download. I recorded the Pinso with MOD beat. MOD is well-known engineer in Ghana here. That many people know MOD. Many people know MOD. Yes, he used to record with the big artists, many artists in Ghana here, and then he's I can say he's my brother that I used to work with every day in, day out.
As a young man that is still growing in the industry, what can you say to your fans and also to your listeners in SOULSCAPE Radio?
Yes. To talk about the support that SOULSCAPE radio station has given me for now, I can say SOULSCAPE radio station is one of the best radio stations in the world. Yes, for now, I can see that with a strong heart. Yes, because SOULSCAPE, I didn't know SOULSCAPE. It was my sister who introduced SOULSCAPE to me, and then today it's one of the best stations. I always listen to it. Talking about Tabata, yes, I love Tabata a lot, the way he handles things out. I love W.M. Davis, who is a DJ in SOULSCAPE, and then the CEO